Hey everyone, it's Grace from Kapwing, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the 2021 badge on TikTok. This is a fun little feature that TikTok has just released as part of their year on TikTok, which is kind of like Spotify Wrapped, but for TikTok. So I'll show you how to do that right now. You first want to make sure you have the most updated version of the app. So to do that, go to the App Store, click your profile icon in the corner, and then scroll down. And if TikTok is there and it says update, just click update. Then head to TikTok, and you can get the badge on your profile by going to Kapwing's TikTok account. Go to the search bar and search Kapwing. Once you get there, click the Kapwing profile picture, the cat, and then there will be a button that says get your badge, and click that. At this point, you'll see this whole year in review thing. It shows you how you performed on TikTok and what you liked on TikTok in that year. You can just swipe through all the stuff and read it as you wish. To get the badge, you have to post this TikTok video on your account. So click post on TikTok, and then you can add your description, and then just post it. And then it'll say that your badge will be applied. Now, to actually see it on your profile picture, be patient. It will take a minute or two. First, wait for the video to upload, and then close out of the whole TikTok app and go back into it. And then the 2021 badge should be on your profile picture. If you click your profile icon, you can toggle the badge to show on or off depending on what you want. If you like customizing your profile picture and making it unique, one thing you might want to try out is use a GIF or a video as your TikTok profile. We have a tutorial just on that topic showing you exactly how to do it, so go check that out if you're interested. I'll link it here, and it'll also be linked in the comments. In terms of troubleshooting, if this didn't work for you, there might be a few reasons. One, just be patient. Sometimes it takes like a few minutes for the little badge to appear after you've created that TikTok and posted it, so just make sure to close out and then come back. But another reason might be you have to have used TikTok for a little while, either with viewing videos or posting videos. So the requirements aren't exactly clear, but on the article that TikTok released with their announcement about this 2021 badge, it says that if you're newer to the community and you haven't found your vibe yet, then you won't be able to actually go through that TikTok year in review and get the badge. For example, I tried this with a TikTok account that I've watched some videos on it but haven't posted anything. It didn't work. This is what I saw. It basically just said it's not available. Even when I posted one video, it was still not available. So I think there needs to be some amount of time that you've been using TikTok, and posting videos over time might be a part of that. If you have gotten to this point in the video, comment down below, say hi Grace. Also tell us in the comments if it did work for you or if it didn't work for you, how many videos you've posted on TikTok around, and how many followers you have. Maybe we can start figuring out a pattern to who gets it and who doesn't. As I said earlier, we have a tutorial on how to make your profile picture on TikTok using a GIF or a video, so go check that out and subscribe to our channel for more TikTok and social media content creation tips and tricks. Let us know if you have any other video ideas, and we'll see you in the next one.